Good evening. So welcome to the webinar on Django Framework. So today we will discuss what is Web Framework and what is the MVT architecture and how we can create the first project in Django. Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Yes. Okay. So coming to our topic, Django Framework. So it is a famous framework which is used to build web applications. Okay. So in this session, these three things we come to know: what is web framework and what is MVT architecture and how to create the first project in Django. Yes. So first, before going to the topic, what is web framework? So a web framework is simply nothing but it is used to create web applications. Okay, and web frameworks are provide a standard way to build and deploy web applications. So I can say one simple example. If you want to get one information, we will visit website. Yes, so we will visit website. So the information we can able to see, but we can see, we can read, but we cannot edit. And coming to the web app, for example, Amazon, Facebook, LinkedIn. So if I open Amazon account, I can able to see history of my purchases. If I open my Facebook, I can see. So that is nothing but web app. App is dynamic. So here I am giving the difference between website and web app. Website we can see and we can read. Web app even we can change the information as well. Okay. So this is about web framework. So coming to Django, this is the famous framework available in Python. It is web development framework and it is for web applications. And it is very helpful to eliminate the repetitive tasks. So while in the development process, and just it is based on MVT architecture. M stands for model, V stands for view, T stands for template. Model, view, template. Okay, this is the design. Now let us discuss what is that architecture. So this is the architecture. So web applications will be built based on this. Suppose user, we are user and Django and next URL views model template. So model is nothing but a connector, nothing but database. So information will be stored in the model. It is connected to the database. And template, we have three languages: HTML, CSS, front-end Java. So these three. So templates responsible for the design. And view is nothing but if you want to see, I want to see some information on the website. So we need to add that view. So mainly we will link up views to the URLs. Practically, I will show here now. So while I am doing practically, you can understand more. So the thing is, views need to connect with the URLs so that we can able to see the information on website. Okay. Yeah. See, this MVT structure has the three following parts. So first one is model. As I said, model is nothing but data, responsible for the data. View stands for interface. So what I want to see on the website, so that we can add here view, and template is responsible for the design, highlighting and etc. Okay, so let us start hands-on. Okay, I will open PyCharm. If it's possible, you also parallelly work along with me. I'm opening PyCharm. Okay, first step is we need to create one project. Okay, just for that, go to the file, new project. Yeah, so I can give webinar project. webinar project. Just I can create the project. Yes. See, I'm going to create the project.
अरे एक वेबिनार है उसका Django Framework. हाँ आई नहीं कॉल 6 बजे बोल रही थी 6 बजे आएगा.
Be on mute, all of you, please. So I have created webinar project. So first we need to install Django. For that, go to the terminal. Here down you have option terminal. Yes. Yeah. So webinar project. First step is install Django. So with easy simple command we can install pip install Django. Enter. Yeah. So while we are installing some packages, so SQL parse, etc. it will take. So that are responsible for the model. My sincere request, friends, please be on mute. Yeah. Successfully, I have installed Django. The next step is let us create Django first project. Okay. So for that simple command, Django admin start project. I can give name as website. So website, this project is nothing but website. So Django -admin start project website. Enter. Yeah, I have successfully created the project. Now I am at the webinar project. So first I need to go to the website. To go to the website, write cd website. Enter. Yes, now we are at our website. So let us run this. So to run the website, just you need to type simple command python manage.py run server. Enter. Yes. Yeah. So you can able to get this HTTP page. Just you can copy this. So Control C and go to the Chrome. Yeah. And here you can place Control V, enter. Yes. So here we have successfully installed Django. So we can able to get the notification. Congratulations, we can able to install successfully. So that is fine. So next, let us go to the PyCharm. So this is the way we need to create a website.
Prabhakar, please mute yourself.
Yeah, the same issue I am facing. Yeah, so we have created, but we can notice some issues here. So to avoid that, just to do one thing, Python manage.py migrate. So migrate means just if any further issues are there, it will be resolved. Yeah, we are applying the migrations. Now let us run again Python manage.py run server. Yes. Yeah, see here, system check, identify, no issues, everything is fine. So if you click restart, you can able to see the web page. Yeah, this is the web page. Now, if you want to add the information, so how to do, I will explain. So first go to the PyCharm, and to do that, so if you come to the webinar project, you can click here and you can click website, and website, we have some files, init.py, asj.py, settings.py, urls.py, wh, these are the various files, and db.sqlit, that is responsible for the font model. So everything between MVT, model, view, template. So to see some information on our website, let us create one web app. I already informed the difference between website and web app. Web app is dynamic, website is static, right? So let us create app. So to create app, that is very simple. we can write Python so Python. Okay, wait. Here you need to come Python manage.py start app 3. Just I am giving name for app is 3. Yeah. So anyway, app also created. So you can see here website. Yeah, 3. Yeah. So you can able to see init.py admin. So these are the various files we have in app as well as website. So now just I will give the introduction how we will get the information. So on the website, let us see. So to do that, let us go to the views.py file, which is available at Sri. So this is Sri app. Let us go to the views.py. Yeah. So from Django.shortcuts import render. So render is nothing but combines our text and gives a response in HTML response. See, for understanding of Django, we must know about HTML language and CSS language and front-end JavaScript. I'm not saying Excel, just some basic information is required. So we can add here, yes, right from Django.shortcuts import render, we need to import that render. Then from Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Yes. After, let us create one function inside view. So define session, because we are discussing one session. So in brackets request, and as we know in functions in Python, whenever we write something, just we use return. So once if you define the function, what it should come, return we use. So define session, return HTTP response. Yeah. So now on website, I want to see some information that I want to write. So for that, let us write H1. H1 is the HTML response only. Yeah. I can write, hi friends. Welcome to the webinar on Django. After, so just write again, we can close slash H1 and we can close. That's enough. Now what we did, just views URLs. So views should be linked to the URLs. Yeah. So in views, what I have written, just Django.http response, import HTTP response, and we need to define one function, that is session, and our response should be this one. Hi friends, welcome to the webinar on Django. So after, what we need to do, just let us create one app, one URL in app. So our app is nothing but Sri. If you see, you cannot notice any URLs function, but we need to link URLs to the views. So there is no URL, just right click and create a new Python file, write as urls.py. Yes. In that, we need to add some more, like just 2 lines, some simple commands that are just write from Django dot urls import path from dot views import views. Sorry, from dot import views, not views, from dot import views. Yeah, that's fine. So next, let us write URL patterns. I will explain again, don't worry. URL patterns is equal to enter path. Just you can write this path, comma. So views dot session. I want to give our page is home page. So name is equal to home page. Home hyphen page. Just we need to write comma. So that's fine. And one more thing we need to do in our website also there is a URLs file. Just open that file and this is the information. It is not required. Okay, it is required. Just if you go through some idea you can get, but this is the not suitable time to go through with that. Just delete and you can click once here. Yeah, from Django country. Country means it is contributing some space, contributing to project itself, the meaning. And import admin and Django URLs import to path. And one more thing we need to add. Yes, it is path, comma, include. Then URL patterns, path admin, just one more line we need to add, that is path, comma, include. What we need to include? Our app 3 dot URL list. So this is enough. Let us see. So now go to the here and write Python manage.py run server. Yes. Yes. So successfully we have created the website. Now go to our browser and already we have created, right? Just you can refresh. Yeah. Hi friends, welcome to the webinar on Django. So here, this is the information. I have added this information on views.py. So what I want to see, that should be added to the views and that views is linked to the URLs. Now let's go to our Python and go to the views. Just here I want to, you can edit this information as well. Okay. Like, yeah, hi friends. How are you? Just I can control S is enough. It is enough. It is fine. Now go to our site and let us. Yes, hi friends, how are you? So this is a minimum starting project. If you want to get some information on website, how to do. So let us discuss clearly what are views, what are okay. So first, what we did again, I want to explain. I want to explain the terminology as well. First, we have gone to the views.py. Views.py means what you want to see, or just I am the owner. I'm going to create website. I want to show some information regarding the Python. So Python is a dynamic programming language. It is object-oriented programming language, functional-oriented, etc., etc., etc. So I need to add. So first two steps from Django.shortcuts import to render. So some terminology we need to understand. If it is first time for you, I think it is somewhat different. Render is the thing, but just it is combining the text and it returns HTML response. After from Django.http and import HTTP response. So this is HTML is responsible for creating of layout of pages. Then I have created one session, define session. You can change. Okay, session is not compulsory. You can write something as well. You can write as courses as well. Courses and return. Yeah, just what courses I'm going to offer. Just yeah. Hi, we have Python session. So first views.py, you need to add the information. Then initially, if you create app, there will not be urls.py. So we need to create by right clicking. We need to create, but we create array just to go to the URLs. Yeah, here. So in app URLs, what we need to do from Django's.urls, import to path to display the information from import views. So what patterns we have? URL pattern, path, views dot. In views, before we have defined session. Now the function what we have defined is courses. Let us edit, otherwise it will throw error. Just to write courses. So name is equal to home page, it is fine. Yeah, control S. It is fine. Yeah, it is also fine. Then go to the website URLs and contribute me to the project and import admin and Django URLs print the path comma include what we need to include along with the admin. So please include Sri.urls. It is fine. Yeah. Now if you go to our website, yeah. Hi, we have Python session. So what information we have, we can edit here. Right. Next in further, so this is only the basic information, and further we can have some information regarding so how to discuss with models. So models, here we have models file. So this model file we can write, we will connect to the database. So we will connect to the database, we will take responses from the database, and that is that information, and with proper layout that is linked to the views, that information we can able to see. See, if you open, for example, I will open one web page, Python Wiki. So Wikipedia. This is one website. I have the information. Just yeah. So this is some layout you can able to see from right side left. Okay. So these highlighting and coloring and etc. It is because of this HTML CSS programming only. Yeah. Friends, just this is the basic information how to start the project. So in future, if any coming week, if it possible, just I can work on so how to create administration section in Django. So with that, we can create one own website. So we can add the persons, or we can suppose we are going to create just one college. In college, just what are the courses are available. So how the classes for whom, what facilities we have. So such type of information we can add easily in the Django. Okay. So thank you, friends. Any doubts, please you can ask.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So I have a doubt
Tell me.
yeah. So if the website is been suppose the website is been made in HTML5, so how can we integrate Django with HTML5 so that we can extract all the information of HTML?
Can you repeat once, please?
Yes, sure, sir. So suppose a website is been created in HTML5 and CSS has been done.
Okay. So if you want to just we discuss regarding, we have various web frameworks are available. That's fine. I can accept. My concept is regarding the web framework in the Python. So if any web framework in the Python, Django we discuss it. So in the Django itself, yeah. So Django itself, what these languages we use already, HTML, CSS, front-end, JavaScript. So these three are responsible for template only. Yeah. And if you want to suppose if you have HTML file, we can load and we can work. That will fine. As it is the only introductory session, so I have covered. Yeah, your thing also possible, but lot of changes we need to.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, thank you, friends.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
So, like, can we have that code part, the like command
You
parts?
can actually I have only used 4 or 5 lines of code only, right?
Yeah.
This is only introductory part. 4 or 5 lines of code. If you want nothing, just PPT, or if you want, just you can send mail to assignments at the 360ml. Just we will
Okay.
forward.
Otherwise,
To
any website to refer those things. These are the basic commands. Means
uh,
like
uh,
W3 school kind
yeah,
of.
yes, we can. W3 schools fine. You can refer.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the one of the method I use, and we can find various videos like we can how to work on Django with VS Code, etc. I feel PyCharm is somewhat simple, so I prefer to you explain that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, thank you, friends. Bye. Have a nice day.